This video will demonstrate the steps to connect a desktop computer to a smartboard. First, locate the computer power cord and plug it in. Be sure that if you're using a power strip, it is turned on. Next, turn the computer and monitor on. Each device will show a solid green light indicating that the power is in fact on. Then, log into the computer using your employee ID and password. Now you are ready to connect to the smartboard. Locate the VGA cord that comes from the computer and connect it to the VGA from the smartboard. Tighten down the pins to ensure a secure connection. Next, plug in the USB cord from the smartboard into a USB port on the computer. These may be located both in the front or back of the computer. Likewise, you'll need to plug in the audio cord from the smartboard into the computer as well. This may be a USB connector or in some cases a pin jack. Remember to turn the sound on the smartboard. Locate the power button on the board and turn it on. Check that the side light is a steady green. Lastly, calibrate the smartboard by pressing the two center keys on the smartboard pen tray. An alignment screen will appear on which you will need to press the center of each crosshairs. Do this with the tip of your finger or smartboard pen. From here, your board should be ready to use. Refer to the laminated direction sheet on the cart for these same directions. It's important to know how to utilize the basic features of Smart Notebook. Smart Notebook will open with a blank page for you to begin working. You may add pages by clicking on the green arrow on the left and delete pages by clicking on the red X. Navigate through the pages of your file by using the arrow icons. While you may use the pens to write directly on the board, you can also add text by clicking on the text icon A and typing. Select the text and you can change the size, font style, and color by clicking on the appropriate drop-down boxes and icons. Erase text by manually using the eraser located in the pen tray and moving it across the text or images you want to delete. Near the text icons, you will also find shape icons. These enable you to draw specific shapes and choose features. First, select the shape and then change the line color, fill, and line type. Show students a full screen view by clicking on the full screen view icon. To revert back to the standard view, hit Escape on your keyboard or click on the full screen icon that appears at the bottom of the page to exit. To get to commonly used websites, open Internet Explorer. If you do not see an icon for Explorer on your desktop, go to the Start menu, click on All Programs, and scroll until you find Internet Explorer. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see three small icons, one of which is a small star. Click on the star and then the Favorites tab. The RCSD Teacher Tools folder has commonly used sites for teachers, and RCSD Educational Software, which has sites geared towards students. In this folder, you may access BrainPop, Compass Learning, Discovery, and Lexia. E-learning is also accessible through this folder. Here you will find the Rochester curriculum for Common Core ELA and Math. To log into e-learning, enter your ID number as the username and the word password as the password, using a capital P. From here, be sure you are on the Home tab and then locate the content and grade level curriculum you need. Click on the hyperlink View under your grade level. This takes you to the curriculum material from where you will need to select the domain. Open the folder for your grade and locate the folder for the domain. Open this and select the lesson you need. Smart Notebook will launch. Note that the anthology for the domain is the first file listed and contains the teacher read aloud material.